Alright, this is the setup. We got an ice cream bucket filled with water. There's a Rubik's Cube down there. Have this to hold it down. I'm gonna leave it overnight, lift this, and just hope for the best. Alright, so plan didn't work. Or I wasn't able to do my plan to fill that, but it's frozen. I thought I'd have more time to be able to do that, but no, but it's still cool. So I had it in the freezer, kind of cheating, but I didn't want to risk it melting during the daytime, because I don't care about it melting once it's done and I get a picture, but yeah, but it's closed up. You see, there's air pockets, which is weird. Well, this whole thing's weird. Anyway, gonna put a little bit more water in it so that way it freezes evenly, and just hope for the. So, slight problem. You can't see it, but it is solid. You just cannot see it, but it is down there. And I gotta think of a way to get the ice out of the bucket without it breaking. Well, there we go. That's not quite what I wanted, but close enough. Should I throw? Y'all thought I was done, but I'm not. Alright, so what I was thinking, we have it in there, because I want this thing completely covered, like completely. Also, I was pushing down on this earlier, and it cracked it. What I'm thinking is we have it in there, have another one on top of it like this, cut a hole in it, and make sure this is sealed good. Pour more water on, crap, and then freeze it that way in a freezer, because it's not cold enough anymore. And then just hope for the best. It won't be as cool, but alright, so I have very bad news. It kind of broke a little bit. Yo. So, in the freezer, it wasn't even, and so it tilted, and also it expanded, so I'm sanding it so I can get it back in the ice cream bucket. Alright, so I'm trying to get it out. It was super cool. Pouring the hot water on it to get, you could actually see the ice melting. Yeah, I'm probably gonna regret this, but I didn't like how I'm gonna get this perfect.